First, the news headlines. How many more women have to become widows to bring solution to state crisis? Ask 𝗔𝗡𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗢 𝗔𝗡𝗙𝗢. National Lok Adalat held at Lumphel Court Complex across all district court complexes. And lightning strike kills men, injures women in Bishnupur district. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am Celina 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐶 giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Expressing deep concern over the unprecedented crisis in the state that has lasted for more than a year, Secretary of 𝗔𝗡𝗟𝗢𝗢 𝗔𝗡𝗙 Radhamani questioned how many more women have to be widows and how many persons have to be martyred for the war to end. Radhamani said this while speaking at the observance of 9th Foundation Day of 𝗔𝗡𝗟𝗢𝗢 on the theme 𝗪𝐶𝐠𝐞𝐲𝐞𝐰𝐬 𝐁𝐫𝐷𝗀 𝗪𝗢𝗚𝐻𝐵 𝐻𝐵 The threats in the society and its right solution held at Manipur Press Club's Loktak Hall today. 𝗔𝗡𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗢 President Yumlembam Memalema, All Manipur Social Reformation and Development Samaj Nupi Samaj President Tokchom Ramani, Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalup President Laurembam Nganbi, All Manipur Tami Chingmi Apunba Lupt President Yambem Momon, Nimpal President Tingbaizam Ibeyaima, Thaubal Ima President Sapam Bimola, Anul Bishnupur President Laurembam Pramo, Chen President Tongbram Premita and faculty members of Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Dr. Homen Thangjam were among the dignitaries present at the observance. Speaking further, Nongthombam Radhamani expressed disappointment that the state government could not bring a solution to the protracted state crisis till today. She said that Manipuri women have been taking major role in fight against external forces challenging state's integrity since the times of colonial rule of the British and against atrocities of the government of India after Manipur merged with the Indian Union. Stating that the crisis has hugely affected various sectors including the state economy, hindering development in the state, she questioned the government if the crisis is government's plan to upsurge the numbers of widows and martyrs in the state. The National Lok Adalat for Imphal East and Imphal West districts was held at Lumphel Court Complex today. The National Lok Adalat was organized by District Legal Services Authorities, approved by Manipur State Legal Services Authority under the directions of National Legal Services Authority. Pre-litigation cases related to bank recovery, electricity and water bills, motor accident claims, matrimonial disputes, revenue cases and criminal compoundable offences were taken up at the Lok Adalat. A total of 3 benches took up the cases: Revenue Tribunal Presiding Officer N. Lanlema, Special Judge ND NPS Manipur Monalisa, and Civil Judge Sector Division Imphal East Lystrom Rina settled the cases. Addressing media persons, judges of the High Court of Manipur, Ahanthem, who came to oversee the Lok Adalat, said the National Lok Adalat was also held for other districts of the state at their respective district court complex. He said the National Lok Adalat, which is held 4 times in a year, is to expedite the disposal of various types of cases pending before the courts, as well as pre-litigation matters. The cases settled in the Lok Adalat cannot be appealed for a review in the court again. In the first Lok Adalat, a total of 233 cases were taken up, while around 2,000 cases were referred to this Lok Adalat, Judge Ahanthem Bimol said.
National Lok Adalat March thada matogre duga handaki ngasi sina ani suba National Lok Adalat ni sahi sina mari rak adalat Lok Adalat che koi mari rak tongni amana 14 September hum subaduna mari subana 14 December da koi tongni koi National Lok Adalat hai se koi gi court le riba casing natraga sahi na wadi le ba aduga case oi nadi file togriba aduba 𝗖𝗥𝗚𝗢 district ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯑꯗꯥꯂꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯤꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯖꯖ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯖꯖꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯎꯀꯤꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯆꯩꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯃꯥꯏꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯅꯤ.
The National Lok Adalat for Bisnupur District was held at Bisnupur Court Complex, organized by District Legal Services Authority under the supervision of District Session Judge and Kriti Chand. Altogether, 17 cases, including 3 compoundable criminal cases, cases of SBI Nambol Bisnupur Loktak, HIPAA, and MRB Nambol Punjab National Bank Moirang, were settled during today's Lok Adalat. In an unfortunate incident, a man was killed and a woman was injured after being struck by lightning this morning. The deceased, identified as Hemam Hamsen, 24 years of age, of Moirang Oksongbung, passed away after he was struck by the lightning. The incident occurred around 10 a.m. this morning when the deceased was working with his father in the latter's paddy fields located at Sangairo, Moirang, while 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏 Rekha, 56 years of age, of Tronglaubi Awang, was injured in the same incident. She is reportedly undergoing medical treatment at Bisnupur Public Health Center. Uripok Apunbalut, in association with Imphal Municipal Corporation, conducted a cleanliness drive at the foot of 𝗪𝗚𝗏 flyover today. The solid wastes which had been deposited at the foot of the bridge were removed during the cleanliness drive. Speaking to media persons on the sideline, Vice President of Uripok Apunbalut, Khwairapam Tarun, said, disposal of solid wastes at improper place not only dirties the place but also causes environmental hazard which may lead to spreading various diseases. Urging the people to dispose waste at proper places, he appealed to the people to take responsibility in keeping the Imphal city neat and clean.
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯣꯠ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯗꯨ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯑꯄꯤꯜꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯠꯇ ꯍꯥꯎꯊꯤ ꯂꯪꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯆꯥꯄꯣꯠ ꯂꯪꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯛꯄ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯕꯣꯇꯜ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯀꯨ ꯃꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯂꯪꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯁꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯨ ꯅꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯝꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯈꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁꯤꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯛ ꯁꯦꯟꯁꯇ ꯚꯥꯞ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯑꯣꯚꯔ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯆꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯠꯍꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯎꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯀꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯄꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯥꯞ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯨ ꯅꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯝꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯎꯔꯤꯄꯣꯛ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ.
Officials of Horticulture Department today inspected the farmlands under 𝗪𝗏𝗏 Gram Panchayat in Bisnupur district, which were damaged by the violent hailstorm that swept across Manipur on May 5th. Officials of the department, including Director Devabatra Sarma, Additional Director Jakir, Joint Director Jaite Koireng, Deputy Director Susila, inspected the agricultural lands of 𝗪𝗏𝗏, Sunusify and Narayan, and also interacted with the farmers whose crops were damaged in the hailstorm. The director assured the farmers to take up steps to use the partially damaged watermelons to produce packaged food products in consultations with the Chief Minister to at least make up some of their loss. Let us now take a quick break.
Step into a world of endless possibilities with 18 dynamic faculties and 180 plus courses. Unlock your potential with industrial-ready training and placements. SGT University, empowering tomorrow's leaders.
Welcome back. Search operations and area dominations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Hills and Valley districts during the last 24 hours between May 9th and 10th, as per a report from Manipur Police Control Room. During the operations, an active cadre of proscribed outfit PREPAC PRO, identified as 𝗲𝗓𝗄 𝐬𝐸 aged 24, was arrested from Imphal East district yesterday. The police recovered 19mm pistol, 4 live rounds with magazine, 1 four-wheeler vehicle, and 1 mobile phone were recovered from his possessions. In another case, security forces arrested an active member of an MNRF outfit identified as 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐞 41 years of age from Langol, Imphal West district. Further, from his possessions, 1 black side bag, 2 mobile headsets and 1 four-wheeler vehicles were recovered. He was involved in extortions from construction companies in None, the report said. Further, the police also recovered 2 40mm country-made guns, 21 Pompey mortar bombs, 3 feet-length Cortex wire, 1 kg of dynamite gunpowder, 4 Pompey ammunition round cap holders, 24 empty cases, 1 battery cell from Kamuching, Imphal East district. On the other hand, movement of 185 and 239 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 126 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 125 persons in connections with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. In a shocking case of murder-suicide, a man killed his wife, mother, and 3 children before killing himself in Uttar Pradesh, Chitapur on Saturday. The incident happened in Palhapur village of Rampur Mathura in Sitapur, nearly 90 kilometers from Lucknow. Anurag Singh, 42 years of age, a drug addict and alcoholic, killed his entire family before taking his own life at their home in Palhapur, police said. Anurag, who was also mentally challenged, frequently clashed with his family as they wanted to send him to a de-addiction center, they added. Yesterday morning, Anurag had an altercations with his family in a drunken state. When the family repeated their demands to get him admitted to a rehabilitation center, he went on a rampage. First, he sought death his mother, Savitri, 65 years of age, in her room. He then attacked his wife, Priyanka, 40 years of age, with a hammer, bludgeoning her to death. He threw his 3 children, Ashwini, 12 years of age, Anna, 9 years of age, and 𝗪𝗏𝗡, 6 years of age, from the roof of their house, killing 2 of them. Later, he shot himself dead. When police reached the scene, they found 𝗪𝗏𝗡 injured along with 5 bodies lying around the house. He was rushed to Lucknow Trauma Center, where the doctors declared him dead. Chaos ensued in the quiet village after the killings, and a large group of villagers gathered outside the house as the bodies were taken for post-mortem. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. How many more women have to become widows to bring solution to state crisis, asked Nongpok Lengak Apunba Nupilop. National Lok Adalat held at Lamphel Court Complex across all district court complexes. And lightning strike kills men, injures women in Bishnupur district. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.